Hello, everybody. I am JD. I am the marketing director here for Koffee Kult. I am with our lovely barista, Savannah. Savannah, how you doing?
I'm doing awesome. How are you today?
Doing really wonderful. We are transitioning into fall. And with fall comes fall-inspired drinks, one could say. With the most popular drink out there, it is everyone's favorite, for better or worse, pumpkin spice. Now, we're going to talk about a different drink here in a moment, but I wanted to first ask you, Savannah.
Yes.
What is it about pumpkin spice that everyone seems to love?
I don't personally know because I'm not a huge fan with drinking the pumpkin spice. I love pumpkin pie. It's awesome. But I think it just became a craze a couple of years ago, and everyone, right when August hits, they're craving and wishing for that pumpkin spice. So of course we have that here. However, I want to talk about an even better drink, in my opinion, called the Maple Cinnamon Latte. Mm-hmm. And with the Maple Cinnamon Latte, it's that perfect amount of sweet, warm, cozy that just blows the pumpkin spice latte out of the water.
Yeah, and I think you hit on something that is perhaps the most important with what these drinks tend to offer, and that is that comfort that comes with fall, or that transition from summer to leaves falling and the air getting a little bit more chilly. And growing up in Michigan, so Koffee Kult, we're located here in South Florida, where there are no seasons. No. It's summer all the time. So I do get homesick this time of year. And these drinks, for someone like me, I can understand that appeal because it reminds me of home. However, I do think you make a really great point that, yes, pumpkin spice might have its appeal in some ways, but there's something about this maple cinnamon latte that just hits in a different way.
Yeah.
And it really is the balance. It's the maple. It's the authenticity of the maple versus this.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. Mm-hmm.
Whatever they make pumpkin spice with. But we're using real maple syrup and cinnamon, and it just hits the palate in a tangible way that is just fantastic, and it really brings home that coziness that you were talking about.
I mean, and it's a really clean drink too. All it is maple syrup and cinnamon, and it beats pumpkin spice so much. So I absolutely love the maple cinnamon latte.
Okay, with that, shall we head over to the coffee bar over there, and you want to show us how to make these?
Absolutely.
Well, thank you, Savannah, for making those drinks for us. Really do appreciate it. They were tasty.
I'm glad you
Just
like them.
really do appreciate that. So, Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment below. I know some of you still love the pumpkin spice, so you can let us know. Do you prefer this? Maybe you prefer the maple cinnamon latte. Most votes wins. But either way, we hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to join the cult, and we'll see you next time.